Hello everyone and welcome to this new ECOPROOF presentation. Do you have an old pool equipped with one or more PAR56 projectors? And are you looking for a solution to replace the lamps? Today, I am offering you our complete solution for renovating your lighting. To begin with, the universal LED ECOPROOF lamp from SEAMAID.
Available in white lighting or color changing, this lamp is compatible with all projectors, even the oldest ones.
No need to replace the worn-out seal, often hard to find, or to reassemble the back of the projector. The power cable connects directly into the space located at the back of the lamp in a completely waterproof manner thanks to the different sizes of seals provided. The lamp will be held in the original ring using the included screw-in wedges. For a simpler and faster installation, SEAMAID has developed a universal ring that adapts to all tank diameters in which the PAR56 ECOPROOF lamp is installed, with a simple clip. A real child's play. Finally, if your cables are damaged or have a section of 2 by 6 mm squared, SEAMAID has designed a waterproof connection kit specifically adapted to the ECOPROOF lamp. As you can see, regardless of the age of your pool, SEAMAID meets all expectations to easily renovate your lighting without any particular work. You can find our 4 simple and effective tutorials to perfectly succeed in your renovation on our website and social media. See you soon for a new SEAMAID presentation.